seen people do this. We're gonna see if it really works. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's smashing my face. It's getting real hot in here. I don't even know how they do this. It's sweating so bad. The jalapeno. It's so steamy in here. I can't see anything. Oh, that was almost my finger. My eyes are not watering. Look at how disgusting that is. Oh, now that I'm sweating, it's cut good enough. So we're gonna count that. Put the onions and jalapenos in here. Mix it all together. Then I'm just gonna dump it all over on my chicken and let it cook for the next 3 hours. Don't let it splatter all over your white shirt. Once it's cooked in 3 hours, then we shred it and then we put the basil and the cilantro in it. Get scissors. I scrubbed them. I have basil and cilantro here. And this stuff is like so easy to cut. No, it's not. It's like making sure that this is cut extra fine. These scissors do kind of suck. And then I'm not gonna cut my fingers off. Brittany's cooking. Sure hope this turns out. I'm gonna put it in the bowl, shred it. A fork and just, ooh, see how it's just pulling apart? So I may regret this, but oh, I kind of just don't care. I already ate a ton earlier, so now my stomach feels full. I'm just gonna take some of this, put it on top. Here's the taste test. It's good. I think it's not bad at all. So, bon appetit.